We're back out here live at Kaminsky Park on the campus of Roswell Park, and we're joined now by the lady who is leading the charge here, Dr. Candace Johnson. She is the CEO. She's the big kahuna here on campus.
Yeah.
We were here for the celebration in December.
Yes.
Tree of celebration. The Tree of Celebration.
Yes.
A lot of celebrations.
A lot of celebrations.
You know what? But speaking of celebration, there's a lot to celebrate.
Lots to
tonight,
celebrate.
right?
You know, with the dollars that we raise in the Ride for Roswell, it really goes. It goes to research and innovative new treatments, and we've come a long way. There are a lot more people alive today than ever before.
Right. Now, when you come here to the campus and you see these 200 folks that are out here tonight that have raised so much money, and then tomorrow we'll see thousands more.
I know.
How do you feel when you see that?
Oh my goodness, it's tough for me to keep a dry eye, I'm telling you. You walk around here, everybody has a story. Everybody's out here writing for someone, and sometimes it's the patients themselves that are writing. And so you are just blown away and touched by the generosity and the dedication, all writing for a cure for cancer.
Now, this is the 31st year, which is incredible that this community supports this. All the money that's raised, and there's been millions and millions of dollars. Where does most of that money go to?
It goes to research. It goes to fund pilot studies. You know, these crazy ideas that scientists have. And those crazy ideas, one of those crazy ideas was the brain tumor vaccine. You guys have reported on it. It's now in a
by a local doctor here.
Yes,
right.
In a registration trial
right.
Towards FDA approval for brain tumors. Wouldn't have happened without the money from the Ride from Roswell. So it's amazing.
Yeah, and there's been making some great strides. Recently we've been reporting also pancreatic cancer, which is such a hideous cancer.
It's a terrible disease. Right? And it's a new drug. We actually are part of the clinical trial for that drug, and a lot of promise.
Yeah, and you know, how are cancer rates right now?
Well, cancer rates, unfortunately, they're not going down. The good news is that through screening and detection, we find it sooner. So people can get through. They can be treated and survive and be cured of their cancer. And so that's the really good news that we have.
And tonight we gather because it really is a celebration of hope.
It's a celebration of hope.
And there is a lot of hope for cancer patients that are out there, all types of cancer.
All types of cancer. And you know, we're going to go to UB after the Peloton, and there'll be doctors and patients all marching in the celebration of hope because they're alive, and they're alive because of research. Research matters.
That's right. And the one thing about what you guys do here and the work that you do here is it affects everybody. There's not one person watching out there, I don't think, that hasn't been touched by it either by themselves or some family member or extended family.
It touches all of us. And this community, Buffalo, I mean, you gotta love it. They're the most giving people. And I've lived a lot of places. I've been here over 25 years, and I love this place. And they're the reason we can do the things that we do, this community.
Right, and as I look around here, as we wrap up, I look at all the bike riders. They're
They're
all unbelievable, and they all know each other. They've been doing it for years and years. It just seems like generations now.
I know. It's wonderful. And I'm proud to be in charge of this institution.
Well, we're so glad that you are, Dr. Candace Johnson. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Another
much.
incredible Ride for Roswell. Congratulations. We got
so much.
beautiful weather here also.